Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your interior and optional your exterior too. But I'm just take a focus to the interior here with the Sisbrill Car Multi-Top Conditioner for dashboard, plastic and leather. It will let a certain gloss polish after you used it. It's fast drying 750 milliliters. Sisbrill Car Multi. Wow. Is the first multi-top conditioner that can be applied to various materials such as dashboards, plastics, rubbers, and leather/skin by achieving the highest quality standards in cleaning, polishing, care, and restoring color, as you can see on these video pictures. We are going to clean inside. It cleans and holds the dashboard and plastics of doors in a good condition. A single application of Sisbrill Car Multi-Top creates a protective layer against ultraviolet rays. Anti-static effect ensures that dust does not stick on it after you used it. Inner plastic recovery is possible. If we're going to recover our plastic interior, so we can use it to restore it to nearly to the original color. They provide a quantity that you only leave to dry for a few minutes, then with a cloth to remove. That means you have to apply it on the surface first with a cloth. Let it dry for 5 minutes approximately, and then remove it with another cloth. The best way is to use a microfiber cloth for it, and after this you have a really good looking interior after it. You can also use it on leather. Nourish skin and skins and provides a good moisture supply with a dry feel. And of course, it's possible to get outdoors with it. Regenerates and repairs damaged plastics, not broken plastic, okay, but a little bit damaged plastics, no problem. Grills, engines, but the plastic parts of the engine or the rubber parts of the engine. The original color will be visible again after 24 hours of application. We will get maximum hardness that will be cleaned for month and washed with pressure after it. Not interior. Wash not mid pressure, interior only exterior. And not take focus on your engine and electronic parts with the water. This is not so good. The Sisbrill Car protects and repairs plastic, skin, and rubbers, and provides a dry and completely new finish. Recovery. If we're going to see that the plastic is a little bit gray and the sun burnt a little bit in it, we can think that there is a solution like this here. Thanks to the Sisbrill Car Conditioner, we will immediately see how to get the original look back. The treated pieces look and give it a certain finish and a dry feeling. And of course, it has a protection formula in it. The formula protects against UV rays, dust, and water. After the application, the cleaning is much easier and faster. Inside it provides a silky tone that protects and improves the surface of the plastic and the dashboard and nourishes the leather parts. Outdoors, this conditioner gives the shade to treated plastics. Durable, they have high resistance over time, so we can see how the durability is up to 6 months on outdoor plastics. But in this case, if you do it outdoors, you don't remove it after 5 minutes. There you have to let it on let the layer on for 24 hours. Really important. But interior, 5 minutes, job's done. Only get it on the surface, wait 5 minutes, remove it, and you have a really nice finish. It gives the shade to treated plastics, and it has a high resistance over time. This is a long time stand on it if you are using it on plastics or interior parts like plastic, rubbers, and of course leather. The treated parts restore the original aesthetics by resisting pressure washing. Horizontally, they can use it, or we can use it all on all leathers as well as plastic parts, rubbers, dashboards, tires too, but not the flat surface, only at the sides, and straps to prevent annoying squeaks. And it is really good and easy using liquid inside. You can really easy make a good finish. You can see it on the screen here. It makes a really good satin gloss polish after it. And this everything is possible after 5 minutes. Awesome thing. You will try it too. I like it really much. So now let's perform this on all the car here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.